Today 5th class Max first chapter. Numbers and numeration. In this chapter, in previous class, I explained you place values, some place values, and how to write the number to number name, how to write the number name to number, and next third bit I didn't explain on the time. So now I am going to explain third bit here given. After buying the books konna tarvata you have to fill this paper in your textbooks. After reopen the school, we will do corrections your books. So next third bit here given by using the 6, 1, 2, 5, 8, 4. Here given some numbers, that is 6, 1, 2, 5, 8, 4. By using this number, build a greatest number. We have to write a greatest number by using this number. First bigger number is 8. Next after that 6. After that 5. Next 4. 2, 1. We want bigger number means we have to write that numbers in ascending order, then only we will get the bigger number. Now see the place values of this number: ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousand, 10,000, lakh. Now this number frames into the lakhs. So 8 lakhs, we have to put a comma in lakhs place and 1,000 place, remaining no need. So now read this number: 8,65,421 is the bigger. We got a bigger number by using these numbers. Next we have to write smallest number in this by using this number. If you are writing in the descending order, we will get a smallest number. By writing a descending order, we will get a bigger number. By writing a ascending order, we will get a smaller number. Means 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 8. Now read this number: ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh. 1,24,568 is the smaller number we got by using this number. By writing this number descending order means increasing order means we will get a bigger number, greatest number. By using these numbers we will write ascending order, smaller number to bigger number means we will get a smallest number by using these numbers. Now this paper completed. You have to fill this paper in your textbooks. Next I am going to next paper. Next topic is counting 1 lakhs. How we have to count a number in 1 lakhs place. Counting beyond 1 lakh. See beta, for math you have to keep 2 notebooks. One is for FN, one is for homework book. FN means whatever is there in your textbook you have to note down in your FNs, and homework means we will sending you in the WhatsApp group homeworks. No, daily homeworks you have to write in homework book. Next, how to count. Now we will see how to count a lakh place. For example, I am writing 1 lakh number, that is a 9,99,999. This is in a lakhs place. This number is in a lakhs place. So read this number along with me: 9,99,999. This is the largest number in a lakhs that has 6 digits. 6-digit number, and this is a largest 6-digit number. Biggest 6-digit number is 9,99,999. If you are adding one number to this number, which number we will get, Nana? 10 lakhs, 9,99,999. If you are adding only one means which number we will get? 10 lakhs. So here, see here again it has 7 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 digits. But lakhs means we have to write only 6 digits. But now we will got 7 digits. Means it is the 10 lakhs. Digit, 7 digit number. Now this is, so this is a 10 lakh. in 10 lakhs, after lakhs we will get 10 lakhs, no, in the 10 lakhs this is a starting number for 10 lakhs. So this is the counting of a lakh. Now I will explain you one example. For example, I am taking a number 3, 8, 1, 4, 9, 2, 5. So before you reading this number, first you have to know the place values of this number. So here I am dividing each number. Now write the place values of this number. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, 10,000s place, lakhs, 10 lakhs. So I wrote here 10 lakhs number. So first we have to know place values of this number. Ones place is 5 is in ones place, 2 is in tens place, 9 is in hundreds place, 4 is in thousands place, and 1 is in 10,000s place, 8 is in lakhs place, 3 is in 10 lakhs place. Now if we want to put a commas of this number, how we have to put? These all ones, tens, hundreds are the ones place values, and 1000 and 10,000 are the thousands place. Lakhs and 10 lakhs is the lakhs place. These are lakhs and these are thousands, these are ones. So by putting a comma we have to put the comma first. Lakhs are we are dividing lakhs and thousands, no, so first we have to put a comma in lakhs place, and one more comma is in thousand place, and here ones place. So here we have to divide and we have to put a comma. So this is the place value of a number in lakhs place. Now I am explaining this number in a abacus system. Abacus system means counting the number when we have to write the place value. First here we have to draw how many place values are there. We have to draw that many lines. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. Now see, 10 lakhs means 7 digits, no? So I draw here 7 lines. Here see what is the number? 38 lakhs 14,925. No, ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, 10,000s place, lakhs place, 10 lakhs place. So here this is a ones place. This one is belongs to tens. This one is belongs to hundreds. This line is belongs to thousands, and this line is belongs to 10,000s, lakhs. This line is belongs to 10 lakh. So this is the abacus table. So here see in ones place which number is there? 5. No. So you have to draw 5 circles or 5 balls in the ones place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ones place completed. Next tens place. Tens place which number is there? 2. So you have to draw how many balls here? 2 balls. This is the abacus system. Next in hundreds place which number is there? 9. So we have to draw how many balls? 9 balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Next hundreds place over, no? Thousands place. Which number is there? Thousands place? 4. You have to draw 4 balls. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next 10,000s place. Only one is there. 1 ball. Next lakhs place. 8 balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next last 10 lakhs 3 is there. We have to draw 3 balls for this number. So this is called a abacus system. Now before I explain the place values of the number and next how we have to write the number in a abacus system, now I am going to write this number in expanded form. This number now I am going to write expanded form. What is expanded form? We have to divide this number by along with this place values. Divide the number along with their place values. See here, 3 is in which place? 10 lakhs place. 3 into 10 lakhs, 30 lakhs. 30 lakhs. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. 3 is in 10 lakhs place, no? So I wrote here 30 lakhs. Next number 8. 8 is in lakhs place, no? So 8 lakhs. 1. After 8, 1. 1 is in 10,000s place. 10,000s. Thousands means 3 zeros. Next after 4. 4 is in thousands place. 3 digits. Next after that 9. 9 is in hundreds place. 2 zeros. Next 2 is in tens place. 20. Plus 5 is in ones place, so I wrote here 5. So if asking in words, write the number name of the following number. How you will write? 38 lakhs. TH 30. 30 is in 10 lakhs place. 8 lakhs place. 38 lakh. 14,000. 14,000. Next 900. 925. This is the number name of the number. Now write in figures. Write in figures. Write the number by using the commas. In figures means write this number by using the commas. Before I explain where we have to put the commas. In lakhs place 1 comma. Next in thousands place another comma. Next hundreds, tens place, no ones place. In here no need no need of writing any commas. If you are putting like these commas means you will get easy to read a number. 38 lakhs 14,925. So this is the expanded form. In words, number name of this number. And next in figures. In figures means you have to write the number by using a commas. Like this, some more I will give you in homework. And next I will explain how to write a place value chart. How to write place value. Each digit has its own place value. ప్రతి ఒక్క digit కి దాని యొక్క place value కంపల్సరీగా ఉంటుంది. For example, take this number 3, 8, 1, 4, 9, 2, 5. First write the place values of this number. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, ten thousands, lakh, 10 lakh. This is the place value of the number. Now you have to write the place value. First we have to take ones place. Means ones place 5 is there, no? So ones place means you have to multiply the number with 1. This is 5 is in ones place, no? So you have to multiply this number with 1. So 5 into 1, 5. Next number 2. Take 2. 2 is in which place? Tens place. So 2 into 10, 2 tens are 20. 2 is in 20, tens place means we will get anyways 20 only. Next take another number 9. 9 is in which place? Hundreds place. 100. So 9 into 100, 900. Next number 4. 4 into 4 is in which place? Thousands place. Now you have to write 1000. 4 into 1000? 4000. Next 1. 1 into 1 is in which place value? 10,000. Write 10,000. 1 into 10,000? 10,000 only. Next 8. 8 is in lakhs place, no? 8 into 1 lakh. 8 into 1 lakh. Lakh. 8 into 1 lakh, 8 lakhs. Lakh. Next, last number 3. 3 is in 10 lakhs place. 10 lakhs means you have to put comma in lakhs place, thousands place, comma, hundreds place. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. 3 into 10 lakhs, that is 30 lakhs. Like this way you have to write the place value of the numbers. 5 is in 1's place means 5 into 1, 5. 2 is in 10's place means 2 into 10, 20. If nothing is there beta, 1's place means you will get only single digit number, 1's place. 10's place means, 10's means we have to write 0. 10's means we want 2 digits and with 1 0. Next 100's means, how we will write 100? 1 0 0. 3 digit number means it is in hundreds place. Next 4 digit means it is in thousands place. 5 digits means it is in 10,000. So by counting these digits, numbers of digits, we will write a place value. So here I written place value of a number. So now I explained how to count a lakhs number or a 10 lakh number. Next class I will explain about crores. Next, now here given some numbers. So this is the homework for today. You have to write each number in 3 types. Place value charts you have to write, and next abacus system you have to write, and write place values of each digit. You have to write each problem in 3 patterns. This is the homework.